Hey, so you are a vendor or a barbershop owner and you're trying to figure out how to list your chairs. Figure out, or we're just letting you know through email. This is how you do it. So you're a barbershop that signed on to the platform and now you want to list a chair. This is what you do. Right here on the top right hand side, it has your profile logo. Go on dashboard. Of course, you would have to have made your account already to get here and also had your account verified. But this is going to be your dashboard, right? Let's start from the left hand side. So on the left hand side, it says shop, rental products and promotions, more options, orders, requests for quotes, and shipping and fulfillment, right? Let's go one by one. We'll start off with manage shop. Manage shop, this is you setting up your shop profile, your barbershop profile. Exactly what type of location is it in, what are the best contact details, what are the social medias that other barbers or other shops can find you guys on, and photos of your barbershop, right? So starting off from general, this is going to be your barbershop name right here. This is a slug that goes right here after the chiar.com/Golden State Barbershop. So when people are looking up Golden State Barbershop, you guys will come up under Chiar too, so that increases your guys' search volume on Google. Phone number, the best contact number for a barber to reach you. Country, state, postal code, display status. If you want it to be active, then on. If you want it to be off, your barbershop to be off, then just press off. It will turn off. Fulfillment method, just do pickup only. Late charges with rental orders. Just this If you have late charges with rental orders, then press yes or no. If most likely it's going to be no, that there's not going to be late charges because barber is going to show up or not show up, right? So select one, yes or no on that. Government information, you can leave it blank. Enable free shipping, you can leave it blank, and save changes, right? Moving forward. Next one is going to be language data. This is in-depth data of your shop, and this links back to all the maps, right? So English, shop name once again, shop address line, so shop street address, city, and contact person at the shop. So this is Golden State Barbershop inside of Samuel, or in Selma, California, owner is Samuel, right? So imagine your barbershop name and your addresses and also names here. Right here, describe your shop to the best of your possibilities. Next is going to be payment policy, delivery, refund, additional, and seller information. The barber is going to see this on the front end. So payment policy, if you have an internal payment policy, input one. If you have an internal delivery policy, it doesn't apply, but if you have one, input it. If you have an internal refund policy, then input it. We already have a standard set up for you guys, so you don't. This is optional for all the texting fields to fill out. Next is going to be return and pickup address. On both of these, again, fill in your barbershop addresses. It makes it a lot easier for us on the back end to link everything, right? So just your address right here, once again, general language data. Pickup address, once again, same exact thing. You just have to make this once. After it's made, you're done. After this is going to be media. So this is setting up your barbershop page, actually. So a banner image is going to show up on the back end of your page. So it's going to have a banner image of your shop. Get a nice image and post it directly right here. Do the same exact thing for your official logo. We have size recommendations right here. This is how it will look the best on your profile. Collections, we'll come back to this. Social platforms, all the social media platforms that you have, you can attach them directly right here. Attach your barbershop name. So let's just say Fresno Barbers, URL, Fresno Barbers. Icon type, you have all these different social medias to pick from. So pick one, let's say YouTube. After YouTube, save changes, right? For the URL, for YouTube, add the YouTube URL right here. So when they click on this, it will go back to your YouTube directly, right? And rental terms and agreements, this is any certain piece of paper that you have all barbers review, or as a disclosure or a policy, or just store culture or vibes, right? So attach that piece of paper right here. Again, this is optional. This is what the barber will see upon the checkout page, that if you want to disclose something about your shop or a certain thing that you want the barber to know about your shop, put it right here. If you require a signature, just attach a signature. Just press yes, I want to do signature, and it will require a signature, right? So upload this. They will see this, and this is going to make your entire shop profile.